Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Today, I think it's gonna be a slow day. Pre-market, both SPY and Triple Q, even though it's trading above yesterday's closing price, it's clearly on a downtrend. So I'm not very confident about the direction in which the markets want to head. But as usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. All three stocks not having a good pre-market price action. Looks very choppy. So right now I don't have any setups. I'll wait for market open to see how these stocks react to pre-market highs and pre-market lows. We do have around 4 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Amazon and Tesla. Amazon making a move. But I'm not very confident with this because we just have one level. Just taking a look at different options to the call side. So Netflix actually just broke this key level of support. To the put side, looking at whether we do have any good options. Not a whole lot. I'll wait. This bigger low wick is concerning. We don't have enough option volume, so maybe I have to skip Netflix. Amazon looks good. The call side 3000. 300 maybe. And 460 I'm getting in. 4 contracts. The next ad would be around this area. $25.60 amount. Now just holding 2 contracts. Maybe I'll sell one at 26. Selling. Perfect trade. Pull the trigger. Went in with 4 contracts. So happy with how I traded it. I got in at 24.60, sold 2 at 25.60, 1 at 26.17, and the other at 26.40. So how did I play it? I was watching Triple Q too. As Triple Q approached this level and holded it, I actually bought Amazon to the call side because Triple Q was approaching support and so does Amazon. Amazon was also approaching support. So 25 minutes into the day, 1 trade, 1 winner. I think that will be it from me for today. Overall, a decent day of trading, making $536 in less than 2 minutes on the trade. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basis and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.